Wow. Okay. Wow. Thank you, Bowen. I'm very, very excited to be here. I've listened to Edith and Leslie talk about crypto. And today, my topic will be about how you can invest and not lose money at the same time. Okay. So what can you do? So this 20-minute sharing is totally for beginners and is for people who actually don't know about investing, people who have lost money investing, and people who want to get into the market. And if you have no idea about investing, this is a complete mindset 20-minute sharing for you. So let's dive into it. I'm the Safe Investor. I'll go through this really quickly. I have a Facebook page. I do lessons coaching. This is me doing a webinar with a lot of people in it. This is my book called Investor Shotgun and Trading Psychology. I coach people on the mindset more. That's my book. You can download it later. This is me learning from Warren Buffett. Blah, blah. This is me and Leslie and with the Banana Investor. This is me also sharing about crypto in the Binance SG Investor group. And this is me lecturing in Taiwan. Okay, so if you want to follow me, my methods are very, very safe. I use stocks and options the most. Okay, so at the end of this session, I have 3 gifts for you because actually I have so many gifts for you, but I want you to take away and make money straight away. Okay, so that's my sharing. Okay, so now raise your hand, type me if you know about technical analysis. Type me. Okay, type me. I want to see how many of you know about technical analysis. Okay, so I do see some people knowing about technical analysis. Okay, very good, good. Okay, cool. So technical analysis is like the most fundamental. When you start investing, right, you go onto YouTube, you learn about technical analysis, right? Then how many of you know about valuation skills, like how to read financial reports, how to read, do value investing, okay? Can you type V? V if you know how to do value investing, okay? V for value. Okay, cool. Yeah, okay, good. So a lot of people here also know how to do value investing. Okay, so now here's the fun question. Here's the fun question over here. So let's say if you knew how to do technical analysis and you knew how to do value investing, but you sometimes still lose money. Okay, raise your hand if you know these 2 already, and sometimes for some reason you still lose money. So just for example, if for me myself, sometimes before I learn this mindset, I look at the valuation, I buy something that's like very valuable according to the valuation, right? According to technical analysis, and then it doesn't go up, and like, oh man, what's going on, right? I have no idea what I'm buying. I'm just based on pure valuation, pure TA. I have no idea what the whole company is doing, and then I lose money, right? So then I go and study this really, really powerful mindset. So I'm here to help you solve how you can stop losing money despite knowing about technical analysis, knowing all the valuation skills, how you can stop losing money. Okay, so now why do I know this golden nugget right here? The golden nugget right here is actually, because I read a lot of books, I read a lot of newspaper. I read from T. Harv Eker, Warren Buffett, Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. I love this guy. He talks about cash flow, right? So everyone over here, they only talk about the mindset. You don't hear Warren Buffett tell you, how to do valuation. You don't hear Warren Buffett tell you how to, look at financial reports. You don't. Rich Dad Poor Dad, it doesn't tell you how to invest in property. It tells you how to use cash flow. And T. Harv Eker is talking about how you can expand your mindset, how you can expand your money blueprint, right? So learn from these gurus, and then you can come to the conclusion. So the golden nugget right here at the bottom of this triangle is definitely your mindset. Okay, so the mindset. So if you want to level up your investing, if you want to stop losing, Alibaba, I see, yeah. Okay, so Alibaba, I do have a strategy called the value trading strategy. If you're losing money in stock, there is a very powerful strategy called value trading strategy. Basically, what you're doing is you're trading something for better something. Okay, but I'm not going to get into that. So if you want to level up your investing, then it means that you have to change your decision. Okay, Warren Buffett says something like, if you know that there's a chance for you to die there, just don't go there. It's very, very simple. So we have to enhance our decision. So this 15 minutes left sharing will be about mindset. Okay, so now investing, if you look at these over here, there are some things like investing, trading, and statistical guessing. So let's start from the most dangerous one, which is statistical guessing. So for example, if you have Forex, right, you know that Forex is mostly based on technical analysis and sometimes the news, right? And you go to a casino, you do blackjacks, you do your dice or something, right? Then that's statistical guessing. Now, what is trading? Now, a lot of people who they have no idea if they're trading or they're investing. So trading, for example, real estate flipping, options trading, you're trying to sell, you're trying to buy low, trying to sell high, right? Now for investing is absolutely the safest, and investing only follow two principles. Okay, so they only follow true principles. So what is the correct mindset for investing? Okay, thank you. All right, so I will talk about that. So yeah, so for example, if you have investing, you have like real estate renting, right? You buy a house, you lease it out to people, you collect dividend. Very simple. Stock dividend, you buy Coca-Cola, you buy McDonald's, you buy old brands, Verizon, something, right? You collect a dividend. Now crypto savings, a new thing. I'll talk about that in this lecture soon. And then you have your stocks, you have your crypto trading. So now it's very important to distinguish: are you trading or are you investing? It's a totally different mindset. Okay, so I'll get into that. So just for example, if you're doing investing, it's actually a very, very low risk. So if you're new, right, you have no idea what the market is doing and you hear people losing money, you're actually thinking about trading. You're not thinking about investing. Okay, so let me correct the mindset. When you think about flipping, when you think about fast money, you're trading or you're either guessing. Okay, you're not investing. Now, when you're thinking about buying the index fund, buying an ETF, holding on for a long time, buying high yield bonds or something, then that's more into the investing field. Okay, so investing basically means that you want something very, very simple. You don't want to make it too hard. You don't want to monitor the market. You don't want to do a lot of crazy TAs, guessing the trend going up or down. Investing is very, very simple. And with this mindset learned, you can literally make money on NFTs, on real estate, on options, anything. So here's the mindset. So if we focus on this section over here, then this means that you have a really, really high chance to not lose money. And by just doing that, you can actually make a lot of money. Okay, so the golden formula right here is investing is only two things. Okay, well, number one is called value appreciation. Can you type VA for me? VA for value appreciation. Number two is cash flow. Okay, VA for value appreciation. Okay, good, very good. So C for cash flow. Okay, so once you understand that all investments, if it's not giving you value appreciation or cash flow, this means it's into the trading zone or into the guessing zone. That's not investing. Investing has to be value appreciation or cash flow. Okay, so now value appreciation, a lot of people get confused by price growth, but value appreciation will lead to price growth. So for example, the S&P 500, Ethereum, the index fund, anything, right? But price growth will not lead to value appreciation. A lot of people get this confused. What they think is that when they see the price go up, but they think the value is appreciating. But no, it's wrong, because let me show you. Imagine this chart. This was the tulip crash or something, right? When people saw this flowers price go up, and then they think the value is appreciating and the value will continue to go up more. This is what happens to most investors. People are so fear of missing out on the trend, and then as you can see, it came all the way down because it had no value appreciation. It's a tulip. It had no value appreciation. People were just pushing the price up. So every time when you lose money, it's always like that. It follows the same pattern every single time. Every single time, people just chase the trend. Okay, so now same here. You have the dot-com bubble. We have the housing bubble, right? Every time, same pattern, same thing. Okay, so now value appreciation. So I'm going to give you a no-brainer solution for this. Very, very easy. If you're new, okay, if you're new, can you type N for new? If you're new to investing. Wow. Okay. Cool. So we do have some new beginners right here. So let me give you the safest tips, and even Warren Buffett tells you this tip. It's super duper simple. You don't have to do crazy things. So for value appreciation, there are three ETFs that you want to buy. So for example, the S&P 500, which has the strongest 500 companies in the US, for sure it's going to appreciate. Okay, and then if some company depreciate, they're going to take it out of the S&P 500. So very, very simple. You look at the history. It's going to go up. Yes, for sure. For sure. They're going to take out the bad companies, put in more companies. The NASDAQ 100 QQ, same thing. Visa came down recently, and then they took out Visa, or Visa moved down, not took out, moved down, and then they put some new companies up. Now for Ethereum, you have listened to Leslie sharing a few minutes ago. Ethereum, why is Ethereum a value appreciating? Because just looking at the NFT, right? We were trying to create NFT, we were trying to do something, and then what did you have to pay? You have to pay gas fees, right? So if you just buy and hold on to Ethereum, right? There are so many things built on the Ethereum. There's like NFTs, there's like smart contracts, there's like a bunch of things, right? So Ethereum, based on the value, there's more use to Ethereum. Unlike Bitcoin is more like in the trading side. Ethereum has more practical usage, and there's whole blockchain technology right here. So that's what I call value appreciation. If you buy into these things that are going to appreciate in the future, you don't care about the price will take care of itself once the value continues to go up. Okay, now the cash flow. Okay, gold. According to Warren Buffett said that gold has no value appreciation. The value comes from its scarcity. Okay, the value. So you have to really think about what contributes value to the items you're investing. For example, real estate is a good location. S&P 500 is very simple. What contributes to the value of the item you're buying? Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever, right? You think about what is the value. Will it continue to grow? Will it contribute more value? Now, cash flow. I want to give you one simple strategy, or it's not like, okay, it's called the crypto savings account. Who knows about crypto saving? If you know crypto saving, type CS for crypto saving, Okay, CS, very, very, okay, so crypto saving is very, very easy for beginners. You have no idea what you're doing, and you want to tell people you're investing in crypto, strongly recommend, open up a crypto savings account, put in some money, don't do anything crazy, don't go trading, just buy USD dollars, and then you get 12% interest, okay? Who wants that? Who wants that? Okay, type me if you want that. Crypto saving account, 12% interest. 12%. There is, I'll show you guys later. Okay, very, very simple, super duper simple. You don't need to do crazy. You don't need to understand technical analysis. You don't need to understand value investing at all. Super duper easy. Okay, cool. All right, so I want you to make money right now. So, here's my first gift for you. That's my crypto savings account. And Hold On is pretty. I like Hold On. I use Hold On as well. I have the Investor Sharingan. That's my ebook, which I will give it to you later. And then I have my full mindset course, which is around 3 hours of mindset course, and I'll give it to you for free. Okay, so now let me talk about this crypto saving account. So this is called YuHodler. A lot of people know about this already. Basically, when you deposit, USD dollars into it, you get a 12% interest rate. Okay. Now, so that's in my account, I've been testing for a year. It's fine. You get paid interest every week, 12%. Very, very simple. US dollars is paid to US dollar, no crazy things. So that's me. So that's the thing. If you're new, right? If you're new, just open up the account because just open up the account. 12% yearly, not yearly interest. Okay, but they pay you weekly. Now, if you're new, right? I just want you to open the account. Don't do anything crazy. If you're new, you don't know what is the ERC20 or BEP20 or something else. Just open up this account and then come join my live training session next Sunday. I will tell you how to transfer money. I'll tell you about BEP and ERC20, and just open up this this account. Any withdrawal fees. Okay, so the withdrawal fees are based on the Ethereums. Okay, I'll get to that. So when we transfer cryptocurrency, there are gas fees that we need to pay. So buy Ethereum. ERC, it has ERC20 and BEP20, so the Binance Smart Chain and the ERC20 chain. Okay, so very, very simple. So if you're new, open up the account, and I'll take you through how to do it. In my live training session. Okay, so now if you're very seasoned, right? You can see the comparison chart right here. It is a weekly payment. There is no lock-in periods. So sometimes you have to lock in. It's a fixed APY. So some Binance and BlockFi, they're not fixed, right? Sometimes it changes. No staking. You don't have to stake any coins at all. And then the interest is calculated daily. So it means that you deposit. If you deposit on Friday, it will calculate interest for 2 days, and then you get paid on Sunday. Very, very simple. Okay. What's the link to open the account? Can you send the link again for me? There's a link, the YuHodler link. Someone asking for the link. Okay. So cool. Thanks. Okay. So yeah, so if you're new, just open an account. So let me explain this really quickly. So how can you can pay? So it's like a crypto bank. So you basically put your money inside. People will put down collateral, and the bank will lend the money out. And then if they don't get to pay you back, the bank sells their Bitcoin. The bank sells their Bitcoin, and then they pay you back. So this is like absolutely the safest option for any crypto investor or beginner. You don't need to do crazy. You get passive income weekly. Okay. What if the operator runs away? I've checked this. I checked the ratings. They use Ledger Vault, and if you check the reviews online, they're very, very safe. Okay, now this is my 3-hour course called the Investor Shrinking Mindset course. In this course, I will talk about how Warren Buffett chooses stocks, how Charlie Munger, why did he choose a stock, why does Ray Dalio always only buy ETFs. How does Peter Lynch choose his stocks? By using a simple crayon. So if you're new, right, this course is designed for you. If you're very seasoned, this course is also designed for you. You will understand how to choose stocks more wisely. Okay, so that's my session. It will be over here. That's my session right here. It'll be on Saturday, right, on 18th. So Saturday, 9 to 12:30 p.m. So that's my course. And it's a 3.5-hour course. If you're new, I'll take you through on how to open up a open up a savings account, pass your KYC. I'll tell you how to transfer money into the account. I'll tell you how to withdraw, and I'll tell you everything about this crypto account. So just open an account. Don't do anything crazy. I don't want you to lose money, and wait for me. Okay. Now, if you're very seasoned already, you can register for my course about this mindset course. So basically, if you remember the investing pyramid, we have the technical analysis at the top. We have the yes, Malaysians can. Must check if if you can't open it, the account will tell you straight away. They'll tell you that you can't open it. Okay, so that's my course, the 3-hour course. Very, very packed with value inside. Let me show you. This is my last slide. Okay, let me go back a little bit. Talk about the mindset. Okay. So open up the account, and I'll see you guys on Saturday this weekend. Okay, so now let's go back and let me just show you how powerful the mindset course is. So when you do like any type of investing, so if you're new to stocks, right, you think about value appreciation. We focus on the mindset at the bottom here. When your mindset gets stronger and stronger, then your valuation skills will increase, and then you can use technical analysis to actually help you. So when you really think about investing, you think about value appreciation, you think about cash flow, right? So value appreciation. So you think about McDonald's, very, very simple and easy company, right? You don't need to understand financial reports. You go to McDonald's, everyone loves McDonald's. When McDonald's share price drops, right? Then, you look at the value, that, it's going to go back up. You look at the past history, the price is 100% going to go back up. That's definitely the time for you to buy. You look at Apple stocks. Apple stock is I have so many people using Apple devices. I'm pretty sure you have an Apple device, an iPhone or MacBook or an AirPod or something, right? So Apple devices, some people even consider it as a consumer's staples instead of a technology stock. And this is why Warren Buffett loves Apple stock, because he sees it as a consumer staple. And he said that he doesn't understand technology, but he can see the value appreciation from the Apple company, right? So if you know how to read financial reports, you know that Apple makes so much money every single year, right? Same with Facebook right now. If you're watching this through Facebook, Facebook is a relatively new company, but you do see the value appreciation continue to grow. Now, if you want cash flow, what can you do? You can do like, someone telling me weekly options or weekly or monthly options, something, right? Or you can just buy, like, for example, Walmart right now is still at the bottom. Visa stock right now is still at the bottom. If you pay with your credit card, if your friend is telling you, you tell your friend, hey, I'm a Visa holder, go and buy more stuff, right? Then that will contribute to the value of the company that you own, right? So that's value appreciation and cash flow. So once investing is all about these two things. Once you know that investing, we're not doing trading, or we're not doing flipping, not doing anything, guessing the trend or doing shorting. We're just simply doing investing. Very, very simple, very, very easy. Okay. So I'm going back over here. If you missed it, I'm going to show you guys again. So that's the golden formula, value appreciation and cash flow. And then if you know this value appreciation and you notice something, it has no value at all, then you can avoid the crash. And that's how Warren Buffett avoided so many crashes, because he knew that there's no value inside. Okay. So that's it. I'm going to show you the YouHodler account right now. So if you haven't opened up an account, open the account. I'll show you how this is super duper important and this is super powerful. And okay. Okay, that's end my sharing. And I hope you benefited from this training session or lecture. So remember, value appreciation or cash flow equals investing. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Ken. Can we see thank you, Ken, in the comment?